Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. I am in between rainstorms and we are going to start getting stuff for the chickens that are coming soon. So we're going to start loading up the wagon, filling it up with all the things that we need to wash or take care of for the chickens, for the baby chicks. Our meat chicks are coming. So we are doing 2 rounds of meat birds of 16 each. We could have done that all in one. Very easy with the chicken tractor and the stuff we have. It's just that our plucker is still in Oregon. So it's manageable to pluck 16 chickens very easily. Especially we're going to have 4 people working on it together. So, because we're going in with my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. So first we need a bag of fine wood chips. Like so. That one's cracked open because I used a little bit. And then we need a waterer. So this size should work great to start with. And then we have the feeder that we'll start with. It's a smaller one. And later on we'll move up to a bigger waterer too. But since, you know, it's a small group of them, we can start with those. And later on, we will move up to our bigger waterer right there. Actually, we have a waterer in our chicken tractor. And then we'll move up to that feeder right there. I'll need a scoop. And I need to wash this. But instead of those lamps right there that you see there, we're going to use a heating element for them to get under. I also have that waterer or feeder too. I might use that one instead. Oh, it doesn't matter. So we'll wash this up. And, oh, it's starting to get warm out here. Anyway, so that's what we need first. And then I'm going to come back and get this grate right here, which is going to go on top of our brooding system. And then we have our other brooding thing over there. So, which we're going to use a trough for our meat birds. And the reason why we're going to put a grate over it is because they won't be able to get out of it. That is the trough right there that we're going to use, so I have to grab that in a few minutes. I might have to get the tractor out for that one though. So, because we're putting them in the shop because we have power out there to plug everything in. So we will do that. And oh, so muddy out here. We had a rainstorm start about 6 o'clock that was pounding thunder and all of that stuff again. And so I'm starting to wonder at this point if all my potatoes are going to be rotten in the ground. So yeah, I'm going to take these 2 elements back to the house so I can wash them in a utility sink in the house. I don't have one in here in the shop yet. And like always, there's always a nice black widow spider that we have to watch out for. So, oh, she's got a nice web in there. I'm gonna get a broomstick or something. Let's see here. There we go, we got her out of the trough, and you can see her coloring, the nice red on her back. Lovely. And those black widows are everywhere here on the homestead, and we have to deal with them all the time. So. So there we go so far. We have our little, this is almost like a mama chicken right here. This heats up on the bottom and they can go under there for warmth. And I'll put their water over here in the corner or somewhere around here. I'm not going to give them full reign of this whole trough yet. I will later. And because there's only 16 chickens to start off with. We'll put a little water in here. We'll give them the magic water that Justin Rhodes suggests, and that's what we'll start off with. We got their little food in there. I need to wash out their water trough, their water container yet, and we'll have that all prepared. But as soon as we hear that we have birds coming, before I go get them, I will go in here and plug this in and make sure it's working. We do have a backup light system if that is not working. Actually, I will test it out. I'll turn it on for a little while and then I'll come back in here later just to make sure it's working, that the plug that we're using is working, all that good stuff. So we know that this plug works basically because this little thing is lit up, but just to make sure that the unit is working itself. I did find actually one more younger black widow in here and just kind of rinsed her out. Now I'll go get the cover that I have for the top of this to keep the kitty cats out, which are in here somewhere. So we'll go do that and get that. They'll have more room. Before they go out, we already have their food ready right there. for them. That is meat bird organic food that we get at Kofi. We love this stuff. We use it for our pigs and our regular chickens. And this is the meat tractor that they're going to go in. So far we love it. It's so easy to move. I can move it forward, backwards. It's got big wheels on it. And we also got this at the place we got our Kofi place right there. It's in Kentucky. And there is the phone number. Actually, I'll give you a better. There you go. There's the phone number and address if you want it. You can order their food and have it shipped to you. It does cost a lot more, but the food is a economical price. So same for a 50-pound bag of organic food is what you would pay for, well, it's 50 cents more, something like that, for a soy-free or corn-free layer food. And about the same price for meat bird food, and just cents more for organic pig food. And they're growing great on it, so enjoying that. So I'm gonna go get the top for this, and I'll be done and ready for them to come. They have a shipping date for around the 10th, so it can. Oh, Bella, do you want to say hi to me? Here's my Bella. Hi, Bella. You coming out to say hi to Mama? Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Are you taking care of the mouse problem in here? Yeah. This is Bella the shop cat. And then we have Millie. And Millie is derived from Milwaukee, since she's a shop cat, and we have a lot of Milwaukee tools, as you can see there. So Millie is somewhere around here, and they are shop cat, barn cat, since we keep most of our farming supplies in here, as well as shop. So Bella is a sweet, sweet girl, and so is Millie. Millie doesn't like to be coddled too much, but Bella sure does, don't you, girl? Don't you, girl? Yeah, you're my sweet girl. You're my sweet girl, Bella. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You want a little treat? You want a little treat? Bella, Bella. I need to clean up their spot. And you want a treat? Yeah. You're my bestest girl. You're my bestest girl. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you're my bestest girl. Yes. Yes. Yes, you're my bestest girl. Yes, you are. Yeah, anyway, so I gotta get out of here and go get the top. I'll be right back, Bella, okay? I'll be right back, Bella. Okay, oh yeah, that's getting hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. Getting really nice and hot. And this top on here. There we go. That should keep the kitties out. That's what I'm mostly worried about, is just our kitties getting in here. And it fits everything but that corner. And we can put something over that corner, like that board that's sitting there. So that's what it will look like. And they have the heat source and it's working, so all is well. So thank you for coming with me today, guys, and checking out how we're preparing for our meat birds. God bless you. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Hopefully when we have our meat birds. Probably before then, though. God bless.